Good. What are you doing out here?
Excited.
First time, right? All right, how you feeling about this?
I'm not nervous.
What's up?
I'm not nervous.
You're not nervous?
No.
Not at all?
No.
All right, well, we'll see what happens when we get inside that airplane. Anything you want to tell these people at home watching before we go up?
You should have came with me.
Should have came. I like it. Everyone should try this. Smile and let's have some fun out there, all right?
Only 6 o'clock in the morning and my heartbeat is out of control. 10 minutes into boarding, feels like I'm about to explode. Time for the ride up, tension started to swirl. I can't believe I'm gonna free fall from the top of the world. Senses peaked with a crazy anticipation. Feeling like this, tell me how the hell can I be patient? Jumpsuit rig, Google helmet all in place. Double checking just in case. I'm elated, baby, freedom one green light away, and I just can't wait.
Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah.
Spread my wings, time to fly. One step out, all it takes for me to touch the sky. So amazing, so liberating. 12,000 feet, AGL, so breathtaking. Belly down, box me now. 4 minutes of pleasure without any spark of distraction around. State of mind, euphoria, wish could last forever. From this day on, nothing can stop us from getting back together.
Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. I love the sky, baby. 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 I love the sky, sky, baby.
All right. Wow, what'd you think about that? Pretty cool stuff? What was the best part?
My ears popped.
When your ears popped? The jumping wasn't the best? All right. We'll get together, smile for the camera.
We jumped right up, we liked it. Woo.
Welcome to the sky. You're one more crazy skydiver.
Yeah.
Nice job, CS0 show.